I'm Anil Kumar, and here is solution of question number 14, page 106, Nelson, Calculus and Vectors. Many of my students are having difficulty in solving this, and I hope my subscribers will also benefit from this particular solution. The question is, find derivative of h at 2 when h of x is composition of g of x and f of x. F of u is given to you as u square minus 1, g of 2 is 3, and the derivative of g at 2 is minus 1. So you can actually copy the question, pause the video, try to answer, and then look into my suggestion. I would like you to follow the basic method, and the steps involved are as follows. Let us first understand what the composition of this function is. We are given h of x as composite function, which is f of g of x, correct? So that is h of x. We need to find derivative of h at 2. So applying chain rule, we know what is h dash of x equals to. The derivative of h in prime notation, we could write this as derivative of the function f of g of x times derivative of g of x, right? So that is your chain rule. Now, here what we are given is g of 2 we are given, and derivative at 2 we are given. We need to find derivative at 2 for h of x, the composite function. So derivative at 2 should be equals to, we'll replace x with 2, right? So then you get f dash of g2 times g dash of 2. So when I say g prime or derivative of g at 2, right? So I can substitute 2 for x, correct? So that's what it is. Now we know what is g of 2. G of 2 is 3 for us. So we'll substitute 3 here, right? Times g prime of 2, or the derivative of g at 2 is given to us as minus 1. So times minus 1. Now the question is, what is derivative of f at 3? Well, this we can calculate from the function given to us. We are given f of u as equals to u square minus 1. So the derivative of this function is 2x, 2u, right? So what is f dash of 3? So we substitute 3 for u. So we get 2 times 3 is 6. Since the derivative of function f at 3 is 6, we can substitute this value here. So what we get here is 6 times minus 1. You get the idea? So it is minus 6. And that gives you the answer. And the answer is derivative of the composite function h of x at x equals to 2 is equals to minus 6. So these are the steps involved. Go through them very carefully, and then you can derive at the answer. I hope that helps. Thank you, and all the best.